Fatty liver diet. 13 foods to help fatty liver reversal. Fatty liver disease is a situation where there is a high fat buildup within the liver that can be assigned to alcohol or non-alcoholic factors, such as weight gain, smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. Diet plays a central role in the therapy of fatty liver. Because there are no medicines for fatty liver disease, a low-calorie, low-fat, high-protein diet is the only way to treat and prevent fatty liver disease. Fatty liver diets are straightforward and extremely powerful. In today's video, we will share with you 13 foods to help fatty liver reversal, from avocado, garlic, walnuts, and more. Stay tuned to find out more. Number 1. Greens to prevent fat buildup. Consuming a variety of whole vegetables is beneficial for people with a fatty liver condition. However, broccoli is one vegetable that a person with fatty liver disease should seriously consider in their diet. Broccoli is proved to help prevent the buildup of fat in the liver. Eating more greens like kale, spinach, and Brussels sprouts can also help with weight loss. You can also try the Canadian Liver Foundation's recipe for vegetarian chili, which lets you cut back on calories without sacrificing flavor. Green vegetables like spinach, collard greens, and mustard greens can cure fatty liver issues due to their antioxidants and mineral content. It would be alright to focus on consuming a cup of leafy greens for a great functioning liver in your everyday diet. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Fish to reduce fat level. Ironically, consuming fatty fish helps the body fight a fatty liver. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and trout are all high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce fat levels within the liver and help bring down inflammation. These fats may be especially useful in the liver, as they seem to prevent the building up of excess fats and maintain enzyme levels in the liver. Besides being rich in heart-healthy omega-3, salmon is a low-calorie protein source that's also low in saturated fat. The American Heart Association suggests more than 2 3.5-ounce servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. It is also a healthy option for meat, as it allows you to avoid consuming the fats and skins from meat or poultry. Number 3. Avocados to help protect the liver. Avocado is another delicious food choice that's high in healthy fat, yet helpful for heart and liver health. Avocado appears to comprise chemicals that might slow liver damage. Avocados are excellently high in healthy fats, and research proves they comprise chemicals that might inhibit liver damage. They're also surplus in fiber, which can help with weight control. One of the easiest ways of benefiting from avocado is avocado toast. Just mash up some avocado and lay it on your toast. It's that easy. Number 4. Coffee to lower abnormal liver enzymes. Coffee appears to lower the number of abnormal liver enzymes in people at risk for liver diseases. Just make sure you do not add irrelevant creamer or sugar to increase the calories. Instead, using low-fat milk and artificial sweeteners if you cannot fight your sweet tooth. Studies have proved that coffee drinkers with fatty liver disease have less liver damage than those who don't drink this caffeinated beverage. Caffeine appears to lower the number of unusual liver enzymes of people at risk for liver diseases. Number 5. Garlic to help reduce body weight. If you have a fatty liver condition and are allergic to garlic, garlic powder additives may be your solution to reducing fat levels, if experimental studies are to be believed. Nevertheless, garlic helps flavor your dishes, so you don't end up using too much sauce, which is also excessive calories. This herb does not only add flavor to food, but experimental studies also prove that garlic powder additives may help reduce body weight and fat in people with fatty liver disease. Number 6. Sunflower seeds for antioxidants. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that could protect the liver from damage, and sunflower seeds are an excellent origin of this essential vitamin. Not only do they offer a defense, but they add a wonderful texture when sprinkled over a salad or as a healthy midday snack, but in a small amount. Number 7. Green tea for less fat absorption. Research supports that green tea can help interfere with fat absorption, but the results aren't conclusive yet. Researchers are studying whether green tea can reduce fat storage within the liver and boost liver function. But green tea also has many health benefits, from reducing cholesterol levels to aiding with sleep. New research seems to point to green tea, lower fat storage in the liver, and boost liver function. While this research is in its primary stages, there's no damage in drinking green tea anyway for all its health benefits, including lowering cholesterol and helping you sleep. And a regular good night's sleep does wonders for keeping your weight down. Number 8. Walnuts to improve the liver. Walnuts are highly plentiful in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lessen fat and inflammation in people suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies have found that walnuts boosted liver function tests in people who have fatty liver disease. Number 9. Oatmeal for energy. Like avocados, the high fiber and good carbohydrate content in oatmeal and other whole grains acts as an appetite filler, preventing further weight gain. They also stimulate weight loss through exercise and increased physical activity by improving body energy levels. Carbohydrates from whole grains like oatmeal can supply your body with energy. Their fiber contents also fill you up, which can help you maintain your normal weight. Number 10. Olive oil for weight control. This healthy oil is made up of omega-3 fatty acids. It's healthier for cooking than margarine or butter. Study finds that olive oil helps to lower liver enzyme levels and control weight. The essential component of a Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil, provides numerous liver health benefits through its high omega-3 content and helps prevent liver damage and weight gain by lowering liver enzyme levels. We have done a whole video on 16 reasons to include olive oil in your diet. Number 11. Tofu to reduce fat buildup. The soy protein contained in tofu has been shown to decrease fat buildup in the liver. Another great advantage to eating tofu is that it is both low in sugar and fat. Also, tofu is high in protein and low in fat. Number 12. Milk thistles or low-fat dairy. Consider taking a milk thistle supplement when you know you're going to eat or drink too much to help support your liver eliminate the alcohol and fat from your body the morning after. Milk thistle tablets are a high-rate botanical formula made up of milk thistle extract, herb, and seed powders. According to a study, dairy is high in whey protein, which may protect the liver from further damage. Number 13. Whey protein. Drinking a whey protein shake every day can be the best method of keeping your fatty liver under control. It was found that the everyday intake of whey protein reduced the fat in women's livers with excess fat by about 20%. Remember, excess protein can also cause bloating when it is not utilized properly. Eating a scoop of whey protein before a workout is an ideal way for best assimilation. Some things can be dangerous for your liver, like heavy drinking or taking high doses of medications. However, certain foods can be beneficial for your liver health too. And it's very important to ensure that your liver is healthy, as it's a powerful organ in the body that is responsible for lots of functions that our bodies need to run smoothly. The liver plays a very crucial role within the body. While it mainly takes care of itself, a person can also help maintain liver health by consuming these discussed foods. Numerous types of foods may be harmful to the liver. Consuming foods that are very good for the liver can help a person prevent potential health issues in the future. Will you include these foods in your diet after watching this video? Please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.